Welcome to Kanien'keha. In today's lesson, we're going to be learning how to give greetings when we meet up with someone. So I've heard of 4 ways that you can greet someone in Kanien'keha. 4 different ways to say hello to someone. So we have gwe or gwe. I have heard gwe and sego. Usually when we run into someone, we ask them how they are doing. So there's different ways to ask someone how they're doing in Kanien'keha. Skanagoaga, are you at peace? So if someone asked you, gwe skanagoaga, then you can answer, ha skanagoanyawa. So if someone were to ask you, ohniyot, how is it? Or ohniyottuhaje, how is it going? You can answer, yo yanere, or yo yanere meaning it's going good, or it's good, or yo yaneraje. Yo yaneraje, it's going along good. Someone can also ask you, yo yaneraje ga, is it going well? Is it going good? And say, yo yaneraje. Yes, it's going good. If it's not going good, yahte yo yaneraje. Yahte yo yaneraje. Usually when you greet someone, you'll ask how they're doing. You say skanagoaga, or ohniyot, or ohniyottuhaje, or yo yaneraje ga, and they'll say ha yo yaneraje, or ha skanagoa, or something like that. They will answer, and then usually when the person answers, they'll ask the person back how they are doing. So how you would say that? You'd say oknize. And you?
Gwe ruya hawi.
Gwe.
Ohniyottuhaje.
Yo yaneraje, oknize.
Oh, jätte yo yaneraje, stohagun haksa.
Oh.
Segu ruya hawi.
Ego.
Skanagoaga?
Skanagoa, oknize.
Ha, skanagoa. Gwe ruya hawi.
Gwe.
Yo yaneraje ga?
Yo yaneraje, oknize.
Ha, yo yaneraje.
So in one of our dialogues, Kanien'keha had mentioned that she didn't feel well, and the word that she used was gunhaksa. Gunhaksa. If you're not feeling well, or if you're sick, you're feeling sick, she say gunhaksa. Gunhaksa. Nyawa ziwaza wadaroroge. Nyawa for watching. What's the wadatka. I'll see each other again. Wanna give a